The Samsung Galaxy Ring is finally here after much anticipation. It was actually first announced earlier this year, but now I can actually try it on and tell you what it's all about. So for the Galaxy Ring, you would get the same Galaxy Health features that you would for Galaxy Watch, but in a much smaller and more convenient form factor, coming from someone who has worn the Oura Ring right here for over 2 years now. So how does the Galaxy Ring compare to, say, the Oura Ring or other smart rings? Foundationally, a lot is similar. A size range from 5 to 13, so 9 total, and multiple metal finishes. Teeny tiny health sensors are inside, tracking heart rate, blood oxygen, and skin temperature. This informs activity tracking, sleep tracking and coaching, cycle tracking, and general in-moment wellness insights like high or low heart rate alerts. Samsung is taking things a step further with the Galaxy AI treatment. So now this data collected can inform further insights like the energy score, that's sort of like a readiness score, and wellness tips that are individualized insights on everything from activity to nutrition. Sleep tracking and sleep coaching is something that Samsung has prioritized for a while now, but it goes to the next level with the enhanced sleep AI algorithm that takes in more factors when determining your sleep score. Getting your sleep score or learning more about your sleep quality is only effective if you're wearing a device to track your sleep every night, or at least most nights, which is why a form factor like a ring makes a lot of sense, maybe more so to some people than a Galaxy Watch or another smartwatch. Me personally, I sleep with my jewelry every night, so this would be no sweat. If we're talking about convenience though, we have to talk about this charging case. It's multifunctional, letting you wirelessly charge the ring, but also pack it up and take it with you. That said, the ring does last up to 7 days with the larger size options. That makes sense because the rings are bigger, they can fit bigger batteries. The smaller options though last about 5 days, which is on par with Oura Ring. So besides Galaxy AI and that awesome charging case, there is a feature with the Galaxy Ring that I haven't seen on any smart ring before, and that is a double pinch gesture. Just like that. When you have your phone connected, double pinch will let you do remote content capture. If you've seen my videos before, you know I love anything camera remote or remote capture, so I'm really excited about this feature. But this feature can also be used to snooze your alarm. So in many ways, it is similar to double tap for Apple Watch, but this is now just for Galaxy Ring. So this might surprise you. The Galaxy Ring is actually more expensive than the Galaxy Watch 7, starting at $399. I already know we're gonna see this in conversation and reviews, but that is $100 more than the Oura Ring's starting price of $299. However, the debate you're going to hear is that Oura charges a monthly membership fee in order to use the Oura Ring and all of its features, whereas on the Galaxy Ring, everything in Galaxy Health comes at no additional cost. Guess how you feel all that depends on whether you'd rather pay more upfront or on the later end with membership fees. But what do you think about that? And what do you think about the Galaxy Ring in general? Be sure to let me know all your questions in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you. I also have my hands on with the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra live now, so be sure to check those out on our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.